was the last time y'all saw a fish expire?
Let's see it. Let's get this rehouse. Alright, nothing fancy here, y'all ranchers. Couple rocks, couple pieces of spider wood. We've got some black diamond aquarium sand in there, triple washed. I went ahead and washed it again about 6 times. Made sure it was super clean. And let's roll. We're gonna time lapse this whole thing, so let's get to it. Hey, before we get started, everybody say hi to the jumpers. Everybody. Females up in the corner, snacking. Our new adult male. No, his crate's still in there. He's been toying with him all day. It's kind of weird, but incredibly funny. And then our other little guy back there, he already had some. And then we got this one here, a couple days into molt, going through the process. Okay, so like nothing major here, guys. First off, you guys remember the poster tack? You guys remember the poster tack? Okay, we just went ahead and hit it with cyanoacrylate super glue. I went and formed it with a paintbrush, and it fits perfect. So we're all sealed up. He ain't getting out. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and give her a little rinse down on the sides. Oh! Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, this is actually just going to be a temporary enclosure. I am designing and putting together a 10-gallon with waterfall, water pump, coming up through cork bark, and then we're gonna do the whole Great Crack spray foam background, and then we're gonna hit it with dry lock, and then hit it with some acrylic paints. We're gonna show you guys something really nice here. We're gonna try and get that done this week. So right now, this guy's just gonna be sitting, and we don't have to worry about the water too much because we're not putting anything in there. We can always add some live plants if we needed to. If you're doing this setup and you want to keep them in there, definitely add in some live plants. Like I said, we're using aquarium sand, so anything that would go in an aquarium, guys. So we're going to be putting a decent amount of water in here, and so this is going to be his hangout spot. We're going to give him a little fake greenery for now. I think in the 10-gallon we're going to do, I think we're just going to go, we're going to do bioactive. Well, crikey. I'm going to have to cut that out. I don't think I can say that. As much as I love them, I don't think I can say that without getting in trouble. Yeah, there we go. Tuck it and pull it. Move it down a little bit. I'm not in there at the top when I go to open it. Okay, let's go ahead and get some water. And we'll get our spider. And before we put the water in there, make sure you treat it with water conditioner. A little less than 5 mils ought to do. We might try putting in a guppy in there this week for him. Getting that on video for y'all. Now I gotta warn you, Pred Pro fans. This could be a total dumpster fire waiting to happen. This dude is lightning quick. I'm not entirely sure of his temperament, but we're gonna find out. So let's have our lid ready. Let's have a catch cup ready. And let's pray to God he does not bolt. So that did not go as planned, yo. I know, sweetheart. Woo! Maybe that did go as planned. Excuse me while I get this light right, y'all. Okay, Pred Pro fans, that wraps it up for this video. I want to thank y'all for watching. Please hit the like, subscribe, comment, and share. And we're going to see you here really quick with another rehouse. Okay, ranchers, we had a real bummer happen here. So I was just got done cleaning up some water. We've got a leak in the back left corner. And that's, I'm gonna get a tub, bring this back inside, set it inside the tub, let the water just drip out overnight, and then I'll just find a water dish and put it in there for now, and then just get the 10 gallon done with the waterfall and everything, the faux background. It looks cool, but project failed, dude. Bummer.